guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the second part of my vlog from Odisha to Sikkim. So if you have not watched the first one yet, so please do watch it. So in the first part of my vlog, I explained my journey from Odisha to Gangtok, what all places you can cover in Gangtok, and of course the best food I tried over there. Coming back to the second part of my vlog, in this video I am going to explain you the tour from Gangtok to North Sikkim. So here I am going to explain you everything related to the expenses, the places to visit in North Sikkim, and that's all. Be ready for a beautiful travel vlog. So for North Sikkim you can go by shared taxi, in which there would be 10 people and per head it would be 3k, and it will be for 2 nights and 3 days in North Sikkim. In this package it will be everything will be included: fooding, lodging, lunch, dinner, breakfast, your transportation, ghumna firna, everything. So we are leaving to North Sikkim from the Gangtok taxi stop. The taxi stop location will be provided by your package owner. I was traveling with PJO Travels. Will add their contact details in my description. You can follow that. Currently we will be going to Lachung. It will take around 6 hours to reach there. And please welcome the best singers in this journey.
जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो।
On the way to North Sikkim, we stopped at a point. It's called Naga Waterfalls. So it will take total 6 hours to reach North Sikkim. So let me show you the waterfall. We reached at Lachung in the evening. Then we went for a walk to have some snacks and arrange a bonfire, as that time the temperature was 1 degree and it was damn cold over there. On the way we saw some local people over there and they joined us to arrange a bonfire, and we started there. उसके बाद हाँ यस वही कर दीजिए
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे छोड़ेंगे हम, मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। तेरा गुम मेरा गुम काली गुम। ये तो छुपा गबसिंदा का देना देंगी दे। यस, ये तो छुपा रुस्तम निकले यार।
कहाँ थे भैया? So yesterday night we reached at Lachung.
So this trip is like Gangtok to Lachung, and we will stay a night in Lachung. Then we will leave for Yamthan Valley, and then we will go to Lachen, and in Lachen we will stay another night, and on the next day we will leave for Gurudumba Lake. Okay. Except this, if you want, you can add 0 point as well in this package, but for that you have to pay extra. So if you are 10 people, then the people who wanted to visit 0 point, so they need to pay 3000 rupees total. So in my case, we are 10 people and we all wanted to visit 0 point, so it's like 350 rupees per head. Yeah, so yesterday we had lots of fun. We had bonfire in Lachung, and there are music, party, everything was there, and really it was a great night over here. Hey guys, on the way to Yamthan Valley, we stopped here for having breakfast. If you can see, this is so nice and it's so cold over here. This is the view. Okay. So after having our breakfast, we decided first to go 0 point, then we will go to Yamthang Valley. So now we are on our way to 0 point. Hey guys, we are at 0 point now. If you can see, यहाँ सिर्फ बर्फ ही बर्फ है. Oh my god, so cold here.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.
Hey guys, met them. They are other travelers. We came together from Gangtok to North Sikkim tour. He is
Charan.
He is Fayaz, and he came in a solo ride from Calcutta to North Sikkim. Woo! Say your name.
Thank you, Sam. My name is Sam. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, so we are really enjoying this trip. So after 0 point, we came here. We are at Yamthang Valley now. You can see this view. Guys, I really recommend you this place. Please come here and sit here and just feel this view. This is really, really awesome. So on your North Sikkim journey, you will see so many waterfalls on the way. You can see this waterfall. I really don't know the name of this waterfall, but this is really beautiful. So after spent a night in Lachen, we are on our way to Gurdumba Lake, and this view is unbelievable.
আগলি বতাহে খৰালে চুপহি কাজলি জপা দুচকুৰ পতাত ধেমালি চলেৰে কৰেনো টিপচি নিচুকনি গীজুৰি যায়।
So on the way to Gurudumma Lake, we stopped here for having breakfast.
মায়াময় উশাহৰ মেয়ানে যাযাবৰী মোৰেনো হেঁপাহ ভূতলি সামৰি তোমাৰেনো কাষৰলে উভতাই আনিলা জীয়াই তুলিলা মোক জীয়াই তুলিলা মোক জীয়াই তুলিলা এই ৰিক্ত বুকুতে বাসনা ঢালিলা মোৰ তেজে তেজে ক্ষীৰে ক্ষীৰে
I could not take much videos or photos in Gurdumba Lake as we were there hardly for 10 minutes because it was so cold over there and we were having breathing issues. It was 17,000 feet above and it was damn cold. And now we are on our way to our hotel in Lachen. We will have our lunch there and then we will leave to Gangtok today only. Meanwhile, me to my driver. Please stop the car. Let me just touch this ice.
ফাকেৰে স্মৃতিৰে খিলাপাত পৰেনে মন
And these are the clips I took in our Lachen hotel. These are the local boys who are playing football.
কণাখুৰ কবিতা
We are returning to Gangtok and this gorgeous place we got on our way. सुना है पहाड़ों में नशा होता है और मुझे तुम्हारे इस नशे से प्यार हो गया। सो सिक्किम, याद तो बहुत आएगी। जिंदगी में अगर फिर कभी मौका मिले मुझे तो तुमसे मिलने ज़रूर आऊँगी
और तुम्हारे इस खूबसूरती का राज मैं लोगों तक पहुंचाऊंगी। ये मेरा वादा है तुमसे। You will be in my heart forever, ever, ever. And thanks a lot for giving me a bucket full of memories.